Happy weekend, guys. Happy Saturday. We are at Bug-a-Palüza, which is up in Tennessee, Chattanooga, and there are bugs everywhere. People selling bugs, new bugs, old bugs, buses for sale, and parts of Palooza. And I got my little QR code if you want to sign up for the channel. But let's check out these parts first. And some things are for sale. This is a Karmann Ghia, 4,200. Look at this Karmann Ghia. Wow, patina all day. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, this is an amazing Karmann Ghia. Roof rack and everything. Smells like an old car. 4,200. Could be yours. Volkswagen's on Volkswagen. Now I'm talking. That's right. It's so cool. I love your car. And your old puppy. Really, really nice. Yeah, it's awesome. It's tricky because there's so many bugs to look at, all this air-cooled stuff. I've been spending so much time on motorcycles. I would really like to it's hard to talk about the cross between motorcycles and bugs, especially when you get like bugs and buses and Karmann Ghias. If only there was a visual where you could take a motorcycle and a bug or Volkswagen and put it together like this. What is this? This is amazing. Who did this? This is your Harley-Davidson Karmann Ghia crossover? What? Unbelievable. The things people do with cars is just so great. Look at this. Wow. It's something else. This is my first Bug-a-Palüza.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I drove up from Atlanta. And so when you come out and you see all these people with so much passion, all these classic cars.
It's Volkswagen people.
It's awesome people, right?
Volkswagen people are like any other people in the world.
And I've had a recent love affair with an Indian motorcycle. It's a yellow Indian.
Ah, the old Indians.
Yeah,
not
old.
the new Victories.
No.
Yeah.
And so I thought if I could just find an example of a motorcycle and a car to explain people, bugs are great, but air cooled is where it's at, right? Motorcycles, Volkswagens, doesn't matter.
They're fun and they're easy. Easy to work on and fun.
I need a shirt that says fun and easy. That's
fun and easy and a bug under it. I'm Dr. Fieldinggood, the host of the show.
Man, thanks for being here. This is awesome.
This is my 22nd year hosting the show.
It's not going to happen without you is what it is.
I don't go that far.
And so, Doc, what is this amazing crafting? What did you start with?
I had
so
many
tripod.
Questions.
Tripod, okay.
This is the fourth one I've built.
Okay.
And I had a guy I knew who owned the car, the whole car.
Oh.
And he was in a wreck, and it crushed the whole front of the car.
Oh no.
So they were sending it to the scrapyard to be crushed. And I'm like, whoa.
The doctor can bring it back to life.
I can bring it back to life.
Nice.
I can do something with this.
Look at this.
So went with my uncle and took a bandsaw and cut the wreck front off and took the doors and everything. And I had this 78 Super Glide sitting around. And
because people just have that laying around sometimes.
I got lots of stuff laying around the farm.
Okay.
So we just grafted it to it,
wow.
And you got tripod.
Is it considered a trike, or is it more of a motorcycle?
It's a trike. It's registered as the car, because the first one I built, same thing but a bug.
Right.
Took it to the state patrol to have it inspected to get it registered, and the officers were like, well, I guess you're gonna register it as a car.
Oh no.
It's registered as the Karmann Ghia.
Okay.
Per the state patrol, that's what it has to be registered at.
Right.
Which throws me in a weird category, because it's a car, I don't have to wear a helmet.
Right. Oh, I see.
Motorcycle rules.
Yeah. I would wear a helmet anyway.
Oh, I do. Most definitely. It's
just for the bugs alone.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. I don't have a windshield for it.
And it looks like the chassis is a center tunnel from a Volkswagen. That's the
tunnel is all up to here is Volkswagen.
Wow.
It's still got its original shifter and all that. We just made floorboards and took pipe and welded up a frame for it.
You've done a beautiful job, man. You brought this thing back to life. Without you,
it would be an ashtray.
Yeah, this is awesome. Awesome.
It's VW powered, still shifts just like the VW.
I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, good for you.
I've got Harleys too, and we go riding all the time. You pull into a gas station, you've seen one Harley, you've seen them all.
And you don't have to choose between the Karmann and the Harley.
I got them both.
Yeah, it's a
if you look,
It's a Harmon, or what is it? It's a Harley. Oh.
Harley-Davidson.
Yeah.
Go to the other side.
Okay.
Harley a Volkswagen.
Nice. Yeah, it's super smart, man. Really great work. I love it. Thanks for
very
showing
much.
us your car. Really awesome.
Oh, wow.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
and I'm
you.
going to go check out the rest of these cars.
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
What's going on?
How's it going?
You're going so fast.
Oh yeah.
I love it. All right, bye. And then there's some cars that just jump out at you. Like, look at this. Beautiful. Is it Moose 1? I don't know. This is a beautiful car. Whose car is this? Wow. It's a crazy good car. Man, they have the whole accessory thing in the back with the little travel bag, all the wrenches. It's awesome. Beautiful car. This red just jumps off the screen. Amazing. Yeah, so here's this car. So I'm gonna see if I can find the owner. And is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, this car is beautiful.
Well, thank you.
What was your name?
Robert.
Robert?
Robert Bucci.
Robert Bucci. Is that, but do people call you Moose? Because
Moose, yeah, my nickname's Moose.
What is with this? Tell me about this car. How did you get this car?
I'm actually the second owner.
Okay.
It was a true barn find.
Wow.
The original owner bought it new, and he passed away, and they sold it in an estate sale, and it got stuck in a barn for 6 or 7 years, and then I got a hold of it.
Nice.
And then the original owner did a restoration back in like 2000.
Okay.
So it's been repainted, but I've done nothing but put new tires on it.
You kept
basically.
it beautiful.
And
wow.
it was garage kept its whole life.
It was garage rough.
And
amazing.
but it's got 27,000 original miles.
Amazing.
I've got the paperwork.
Wow. That's the thing people don't think about with cars like this is that you get a classic car, you restore it, and then when you pass on, eventually we all have to go, right, Robert? We have an expiration date, but the car lives on, right?
It does.
And this car is going to be running for a long, long time. Unbelievable. So the interior was the same, just like this and everything?
Yeah, this is basically all I've done to the car itself is put a tune-up on it and buff and wax it.
Wow, and the roof rack. Look at this dash. Oh my gosh.
Well, I did put a new radio in it.
Because you got to have tunes.
Well, somebody had he had just an ugly black face radio,
Right,
so I got one.
Cool. What's the story behind the toolkit in the back? That's really fun.
That's a tool. I just took an old suitcase and made this toolkit just for display and actually have. But the last car show I was at, that toolkit actually got me best of show in my class
for the toolkit
because they actually told me the toolkit pushed me above. That the guy that did the judging loved it.
That was the edge that put you through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, when you win, you win. Can I see the engine?
Yes, sir. It's all original, except
Nice. Oh man.
all I've done was put plugs in it.
That's timing and gas, right?
Yeah,
that's what
it.
Buck should be like. Yeah. This is so great. So at this Buck show, is there a competition as well, or is it just?
Yeah, they've judged the cars.
You've been judged.
Yeah, I've been judged.
Judging is always tough, difficult. Yeah, this is really beautiful.
Well, thank
and
you.
I'm blown away. Yeah, you just take such good care of it. Look at this beautiful car. Wow. Amazing, amazing. Don't ever sell it.
No.
Never, never, never. Thanks, man. Thanks so much for sharing your bug story with me. I
All right.
appreciate
What
it.
was your name again?
I'm VW, actually.
All right, VW.
Those are my initials, but just
nice.
by chance, yeah.
Very nice.
So I figured I'd just run with it, right?
Yeah.
It was a really, really nice car, but there's some older ones, some newer ones, and look at this one. Wow, look at this split. '51 split. Nice. So I'm looking at this split window here, and you're the owner?
Yes.
What was your name?
Patrick.
Patrick, nice to meet you, Patrick.
Nice to meet you.
So split windows, is it original split? Was it grafted in, or this is a split?
It's original.
Real split. Nice, nice. What year is it? 40?
It's 52, March of 52.
52. Oh my gosh. Original paint?
Yes, original paint, majority of it. There's a couple little blend spots here and there where little nicks and dents and whatnot.
Patrick, how did you get this car?
I bought it in Sweden, shipped it over from Sweden in 2006. And,
what an experience to go overseas, find a car you like, and purchase it.
Exactly.
That's an adventure.
Yeah.
That's a whole...
I actually didn't even go over there. I just sent them the money.
You're my kind of crazy.
Exactly.
I love it so much. Okay.
Yeah.
So then you get this car shipped into Long Beach, or...
No, to Charleston, South Carolina.
Okay, how was that experience with the shipping container and everything?
It was kind of crazy, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah, it took about 6 weeks to get over, but
Wow.
it actually was pretty reasonable price-wise and whatnot, getting it from it actually came from Sweden, then to Hamburg, and then on to Charleston, South Carolina. It came with the rack.
Roof rack is so cool.
Yeah, it came with two.
I
A
love
deck
it.
lid rack also.
Yeah, yeah. And so you haven't really done anything to it.
No, not really. Just
drive
lowered
it, enjoy it,
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. Throw a few accessories on it, but
Nice.
I keep that Swedish theme on it. That's why I have the.
Can we look inside?
Yeah, go right ahead. Open the door. You
Awesome.
can sit in it if you'd like.
And you've got the semi-fours?
Yes.
How fun is that?
You can sit in it if you like.
Yeah, ice pick door
handles. Yeah.
all of it.
Yeah.
Man, 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 look at this. Original fabric interior. Yeah, you find people would have this original interior, this fabric interior. It's really hard to find.
Yeah.
And
Look at the headliner.
wow.
What's left of it.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So you go to bug shows with this car all over the place.
I've had it in Southern California before.
Yeah.
Back in 2015, I was out there for the Classic and a couple other shows out there that are big shows. But this is actually the first time I've been here in 10 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, first time.
Yeah, it's so cool. You've got the upgraded steering wheel.
Exactly.
It's a Petrie or
Petrie.
Yeah, with the ring and everything.
Yeah.
That is a very hard somewhere to find.
Yeah, it is.
And it looks original, unrestored.
Yeah, that's what I wanted it to match the car. Everything I've tried to keep a theme going throughout the car, a Swedish historic look, you know.
People don't know this, but this steering wheel costs more than some of these cars here.
I know, exactly.
Don't tell anybody. Keep a little secret.
Exactly.
Wow, and the cigarette lighter that pulls out in the center?
Yeah,
That's so
cigarette,
great.
that's the ashtray actually.
Ashtray,
Ashtray,
yeah,
exactly.
sorry, yeah. You pull on, can I pull on the ashtray?
It's stuck, it won't
Okay,
pull out.
don't do it.
Yeah.
It's gonna
And I
be
don't
smoking
smoke
kills
anyway.
people.
Exactly.
It's terrible. This is
There's an ashtray in the back though.
Is there?
Yep, right there on the
Oh
side
yeah,
panel.
look at that. What? That's crazy.
And those are Foxcraft skirts right there in the back seat.
Oh, cool. Cool. Okay, so you've got this split now. So what's your dream car you want to see or what you want
I
to
would
get?
love to own a DNS someday.
DNS, I don't know what that is.
It's a Dan Heiler and Strauss. It's a coach-built car.
Yes. Okay.
It's kind of like a Romesh.
It's the beautiful end of a car, maybe a Porsche
Exactly.
kind of
Yeah,
thing.
exactly. It's like a marriage between the two. It's a really beautiful car. But it's a coach built, and they're like 200,000. So I don't think that's going to happen. So this is as good
There's
as.
so many banks you can rob between here and there. You just go pick up some cash and go
True.
buy yourself a DNS. Like
True.
what's the problem?
True.
You got to
Exactly.
commit to this.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Thank you.
Can I look in the trunk or is
Oh
it?
yeah, sure.
Because these fuel systems are different than everybody else.
Yeah.
That these cars.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's
so,
the big 100mm goose or fill neck. You know what I mean?
Oh, nice. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. There's your gas tank.
Yeah.
So good, dude. You keep this in such good shape. It's all original. Wow.
Yeah, I just try to keep it going.
Yeah. Keep it on the road.
Exactly.
Good for you. Well, thanks for bringing it out to the
No
show.
problem. No problem at all.
It's so good to chat with you.
Yeah, not like I said, not everybody appreciates the older look,
Unappreciated, unnoticed. That's my story of my life.
Exactly, that's it, man. That's it.
Look at this beautiful Rebo transmission. It's crazy great. So awesome. And besides Beetles and Things and Karmann Ghias and buses, there's also some Squarebacks. Look at this. What? It's a beautiful car. Is this your car? Let's see if we can find the owner. Herbie. With Don Knotts in it and everything. Hey Don, how you doing? What? Beautiful. Monster Beetle. All right, guys, the buses and bugs in here are just too many to count. So I'm gonna have to call it for this episode, but we'll see you back next week. For the rest of this, I'm gonna get back to editing and enjoy the show.